Hey DIY friends! Today, I'm going to show you how to replace a rusty bathroom sink drain step by step. Don't worry, it's actually easier than you think. All you'll need is a brand new pop-up drain assembly and a few basic tools from your local hardware store. Show old drain. Movie camera. Here's what the old rusty drain looks like before we start. Now let's head underneath the sink to check out the old drain assembly. And right here is the shiny new one we'll be installing. Tools and materials needed. New pop-up drain assembly. Plumber's putty. Channel lock pliers. Plastic container or bucket. Cloth or rag. Step 1. Remove the old drain assembly. Asterisk, start by loosening these two nuts and removing the U-shaped trap. Make sure you've got a container or bucket underneath. Some water will spill out. Next, pull this piece off completely. Now reach behind and squeeze this little metal clip, then push it away to release. Loosen the nut and slide the rod out. Next, unscrew the large nut holding the drain in place. If the pipe starts spinning, push the drain up from above and stick a screwdriver or pliers handle inside to hold it steady. Take off the old washer and ring, then push the drain body up and out from the sink. And that's it, your rusty old drain is out. Step 2. Install the new drain assembly. Before installing, clean the sink hole so you've got a nice fresh surface. Now, take your new drain and separate the top piece. Drop the drain body into the sink from above, then screw the top back on. Tighten the nut underneath until it's snug. This will lock the drain in place. Step 3. Install the pop-up rod. Slide the nut off the rod assembly and place it over the long end. Insert the short end of the rod into the drain opening. Screw the nut back on and test the rod by flipping the lift lever. It should open and close the drain smoothly. Now slide the metal clip onto the rod, hook it into the lever bar, and push the clip fully into place. If needed, adjust the bar to a different hole to make the drain sit higher or lower. Step 4. Reconnect the pipes. Reinstall the washer and nut onto the drain pipe. Slide the slanted washer into place, then reconnect the U-shaped trap. Tighten both nuts securely with pliers. Step 5. Test for leaks. Turn the water on with the drain both open and closed. Check all the joints carefully. If you notice any drips, just snug up the nuts a little more. And that's it. You've successfully replaced your old rusty sink drain with a brand new pop-up assembly. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more DIY plumbing and home repair tips, and check out the other tutorials right here on the channel. Good luck with your project, and I'll see you in the next one.